Oh, hey, I like Jeff Beck. Jeff Beck. I like Jeff Beck. I know Jeff Beck. I saved the best for last, didn't know it. How about that? Alright, well, I've had too much fun. This thing just ran over. Alright, good day. Bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. Having too much fun here. Alright. Hopefully you've seen all that. Jeffrey Fass is watching. Mark James. Trin and Tongue. I can't say the rest of your names. Sorry. But I'm going to just finish this. Good day. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing of this, that, and everything else. Alright. And that's my favorite. That's going to be my favorite go-to radio right there. The Panasonic RX5031. Good day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Good night. Bye-bye. Yeah. Alright, starting the video. So now, and of course this one here is still running. I totally forgot about it, so here, let's see, I just ran through, let's see here. Okay, this will be 2 videos, I guess. Okay, so this guy bought this from Germany way back when, and it came in this, just a little bit of like that, and it's yeah. Oh golly. So I'll make this a backwards video. Okay, so I just got 8 cassettes. All right, so we got that, Jeff Beck. We got that, which has got what? This on there. Okay, has this thing broken into 2 files. All right, make this a super short video, and there's whatever that is, and then something fell on the floor to run after it. Okay, so we got that, this, that, okay. And then what fell on the floor? Oh golly! And then this fell on the floor. All right, so that fell on the floor, and then we got these bunch of Walkmans here in the mail. So here's this. This is one of those. Okay, and where's the model number? Who knows where the model number is at? There's a model number. Okay, so there's that. And then we've got this thing here. This is the reason why I bought this whole collection of Walkmans way back when, because it's got this Grundig thing in it. Okay, so there it is. It's the little things come off there, and then we've got another. Like I said, we got these whole bunch here. I'm just going to try and show you real fast. So we got this Iowa auto reverse thing. This is the only one missing the battery compartment. Okay, and we've got a Panasonic with a 4-band EQ, and it's again missing the battery clip. I don't know what model it is, but it's got a 4-band EQ. Okay, and then we've got a Panasonic one of these. Okay, and I opened it up in the previous video. I'm not going to do it here because that just takes too much time to finagle through. Then I got this Sony here, which is I don't know what the high and low. Why does it have high and low? What does that do? What does that adjust? I don't know, but it looks like this. That takes a standard plug. Okay, and then we've got an Iowa. Who knows? Looks like that. Super bass Iowa. It's that model there. Okay, so it looks like this. And then we've got another Iowa. I'm just not picking at random here. So Iowa auto reverse. Who knows? Alright, so just that, this. Okay, fine. And then we've got a Panasonic, that color. Oh, this is weird. Yeah, this has got a yellowish or greenish colored. I don't know what their battery check. Oh, great. And we've got some really tiny little buttons in the front here, and looks like that. And okay, and then this has got, looks like that. Oh, that's the battery compartment stuff. Okay, so here's the headphone jack, and like that, and then here's the undo end, and then here's a Sony, another Sony something or other. Okay, so there's that, and it's got these controls here. Okay, so alright, so like that. And then I had one of these a long time ago and I lost it. It's a real good, basic AM/FM cassette stereo thing. I'll bet you it needs a belt and doesn't have a clip, but it does have the battery compartment. That's good. Alright, so anyway, that's just a nice radio. And then lastly, here's this famous one here. Here's a Walkman. I'm gonna hold it steady enough. Can you see that? What does it say there? I can't see it. I need the magnifying glass again. It looks like that. It looks like this. Takes a battery compartment thing, and takes a gum stick. All right, and it looks like that. And then of course this has those famous looking 4 little buttons like that. So there it is. That's my review of this on the back side of everything else. And because let's see here. Well, let me show you this real quickly. This is a list that I got off the other thing. That's a list of what I just unboxed. Okay, so that's all I know, and just standing around and just waving. Let's see here. I am wide out. This is my go-to radio from here forth, and I've got a bunch of others that are similar to it in size and shape. And I've got a Sharp 9696 along with the the Hitachi thing. There's a 9690. I got some of those, and I got that one, and these here, and then just trying to arrange the stuff in here. Got all these here, some to work on. Those are not for sale, but these two on the bottom are. That's work in progress. These are both for sale. Okay, that's for sale. That's not for sale. And then in here, I just bought this. I needed a CD player, so I got one. And then I've got all this stuff is for sale. Yeah, everyone keeps asking me. Here's a totally crappy, trashed 550. You want that? You can have it for shipping. Okay. Yeah, I said that. Can't believe I just spouted off like that. It's like so hard to come by, but people want these things. It's like, yeah, it's in bad shape. Needs a function switch. It doesn't work. Okay, these are, I don't know. Okay, so I don't know how long this video is going to be. The other one was 16 minutes. This will be about 8 minutes long. Okay, so yeah, that's keeping. I'm keeping that. You're not buying that. $10,000. Okay. And then here's just a bunch of small ones here. I'm trying to go through, move stuff around in the other room to be able to find my radios and such, so I can repair these things. And I just repaired, let's see here. I just repaired, I don't even know what to do with them now. They're in here somewhere. Here they are. Yeah, I just repaired these two Sonys. Okay, here are these two Sonys. There are those two Sonys, and here's a third one. I got more Sonys, Sanyos, and Lord knows what else to repair. I don't know what I'm going to fix on next, but I'm going to fix on something. Okay. So I know I don't want to bore you to death, but that's what I do, is run in here and grab something, and those are, Alright, good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed. I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.